Abacus English tutorial channel. I'm going to do some exercises based on my episode number 10. So I'm not going to describe any techniques here. I'm just going to do exercises only to show how to use hand abacus. Okay, so this is my beautiful small hand abacus. I'm going to use this one. So questions are on your screen. So let's start. Question number 1. First, make zero position. I'm going to use from this rod. Okay. Question number 1. Place 1, 111. Place 1 to 12. Place 2, 1, 21. Minus 2, 2, 22. Minus 1, 1, 11. And 11 is your answer. Question number 2. Place 2, 3, 23. Place 2, 1, 21. Minus 1, 1, 11. Minus 2, 1, 21. Plus 3, 2, 32. 44 is your answer. Question number 3. Place 3, 1, 31. Place 1, 2, 12. Minus 3, 1, 31. Place 3, 2, 32. Minus 2, 1, 21. And your answer is 2, 3, 23. Question number 4. Place 1, 3, 13. Place 1, 1, 11. Minus 1, 2, 12. Place 3, 1, 31. Minus 3, 1, 31. 1 to 12 is your answer. Question number 5. 2, 2, 22. 2, 1, 21. Minus 3, 3, 33. Place 2, 3, 23. Minus 1, 3. And 2, 0, 20 is your answer. Question number 6. Place 3, 3, 33. Minus 2, 2, 22. Place 1, 1, 11. Place 2, 1, 21. Minus 3, 1, 31. 1 to 12 is your answer. Question number 7. 3, 1, 31. 5, 5, 55. 1 to 12. Minus 5, 3, 53. Minus 3, 5, 35. 1, 0 is your answer. Question number 8. 4, 1, 41. 5, 5, 55. Minus 3, 5, 35. Place 3, 3, 33. Minus 5, 2, 52. 4 to 42 is your answer. Question number 9. Place 2, 2, 22. Place 5, 5, 55. Minus 5 to 52. Place 2, 3, 23. Minus 3, 5, 35. 1, 3, 13 is your answer. Please do these exercises one more time by yourself, and if you feel any difficulties, please contact me through the Facebook Messenger. You can get my Facebook link from the description box. And do not comment on my English language. I am not a good English speaker, so I am trying to improve my English, and keep learning, and see you in next episode. Please note these basic rules of Abacus on the side of this screen. See you again. Ta-da!